welcome guys to another video. It's a chugging video, of course, you can tell by the title. Turn the camera around. This is who filming.
Hi.
It's Critz. He's here. I was gonna do a chugging video with him, honestly, but he has nothing to chug, and he didn't want to chug something different than me because that wouldn't make sense. Chugging a Dr. Pepper, he would have to have a Dr. Pepper. He doesn't have one. But anyway. Intro too long, like and subscribe, turn notifications on, blah blah blah, you know what's up, okay. But anyway, let's go. Oh, that hurts. I don't think you guys understand how painful this actually is. Oh my god. I promise, guys, I probably seem whatever, but this is the most painful chug so far. Oh, my stomach hurts. I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. This hurts so bad. If you've ever drank a Dr. Pepper before, you know that it's really carbonated. And I think I'm dying. And I don't think I'm going to be able to finish it either. Because I'm in pain, serious pain. My stomach hurts. I feel like I might be able to throw up. So this is the first chugging video that I failed. If I can burp, which I'm not supposed to burp, I might be able to finish it. But I don't think I'm going to be able to burp. Oh. Right now, Critz is looking at me like there's no way this actually hurts. And there's no way he's not going to be able to finish it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to finish it. That's how much is left. And I can feel it. We're just going to say, oh, I just burped. I failed again, and I didn't even chug all of it. Oh, God, that hurt so bad. I'm sorry. Well, I failed, but let's finish it. I'm going to finish it. I failed. I also didn't even chug it because I took forever to chug it, but
4 minutes.
But yeah, I failed, guys. Hopefully you don't roast me in the comments because I feel like you're going to because of how I acted, because I don't think you actually understand. And I'm trying to make these videos interesting, so I do like add extra, like I act dramatic, but I promise you I wasn't acting dramatic. I literally wasn't, like, I felt like I had indigestion. If you've ever had indigestion, it's very painful. But anyway, so this video is not too long. Let's wrap it up. Like and subscribe, turn notifications on. Go check out Critz because he's actually filming this video. He's helping me out. His channel is just Critz. I might put him in the description. I will, of course. He's my homie. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Suggest another drink I should chug, and hopefully I don't die like this one, because I think this was the hardest chug so far. I thought Mountain Dew Code Red was, but it definitely wasn't. It didn't hurt my stomach as much, and I actually could finish it. I'm thinking about doing the new Sunkist flavor. If you know the Sunkist flavor, it's berry limeade. It's really good. I'll see you guys in the next video.